Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Chris Sorzi of A&A Services, based in Salem, Massachusetts, joining me for Tuesday morning coffee. Yesterday was a holiday. We were closed and enjoyed a great day off. Hope everybody had a chance to enjoy Memorial Day and honor our veterans who serve us. It was just a great day for us and our family. So anyways, we're back at it. We just want to let you know, we sent out our company newsletter. We send it out a couple times a year, the spring and the fall. And we sent this out last month, right at the end of last week. We sent it out electronically, so we hope all our customers get it, read it, and enjoy it. Wife has some great recipes in there. But also, I just want to talk about what we talked a little bit about last week. We did a presentation about how we're supporting, buying as much American product as we can in our company. And last week we did a little splash and a special on our roofing. Right now our roofing, we're offering $1,000 off. Complete roof, and also we have a great window special. It's back again by popular demand, and of course the value keeps going up. We're offering replacement vinyl windows at $99 off each window. This is a tremendous savings. It's kind of a little stimulation thing. Things are picking up, folks. People are calling us. Our schedules are filling back up with appointments. It's kind of amazing to how quick things kind of turned around, and we're practicing safe distancing. We meet people at their homes 6 to 8, 10 feet away. Some people, we go online and do presentations. But, I feel people are feeling like, hey, we got to get some stuff going here. So it's a very positive sign. I just want to also share that with you. So listen, if you're in the market for any roofing right now, we have $1,000 off a complete roof. And if you're in it for any replacement windows, we have $99 off a window. Hope to hear from you soon. All these specials expire on June 30th. Thanks for watching and have a great day.